Let's get you all the latest political news breaks of the day. 14 opposition parties have attended a parliament floor leaders meeting to discuss the strategy ahead of proceedings. The last many days, we've been seeing a complete washout in parliament as the united opposition has been upping the ante against the government. Let's take this across to Maushmi Singh for more details. Maushmi, good morning. Again, you've got opposition leaders coming together to discuss exactly what their strategy is going to be in the House. Their demand is very clear. They want an investigation and a debate on Snoopgate.
Absolutely, and we've seen a tractor rally or a cycle ride and in fact several protests outside at the Gandhi statue. Yesterday we saw the Youth Congress who were joined by Rahul Gandhi and senior Congress leaders. So the opposition and the Congress party combine upping the ante there, and right now this meeting has actually been called for to discuss the further future strategy of the opposition party. But importantly, the big news that is coming is that at 1 p.m. Today afternoon, the opposition parties will take a bus ride. Now this time this bus ride will be from the parliament to Jantar Mantar to express their solidarity with the farmers. So an opposition meeting yet attended by Rahul Gandhi, the Samajwadi Party, the NCP, the Shiv Sena, and almost 14 like-minded opposition parties apparently attending that meeting and deciding that they will be going to Jantar Mantar, taking that bus ride from the parliament. Akshata, really means that the opposition has launched a frontal attack against the government, and there is no taking it back now.
Okay, so a big news break that Maushmi is getting us right now. At 1 p.m, you're going to be having the opposition leaders heading to Jantar Mantar to express solidarity with farmers. That's where the protest site currently is, Maushmi. Peaceful protest that's been going on right now. It's increasingly turned political. You know, you had Rahul Gandhi holding that tractor protest, as you pointed out, just about a week ago on this issue, saying that the Congress stands with the farmers. It's very clear right now that the opposition is going to use a bunch of these issues to continue to corner the government in Parliament.
You know, Akshata, we've never seen such a united opposition, and the consistency with which they have attacked the government in this monsoon session. Also, it is important that we've seen the presence of Rahul Gandhi, the former president of the Congress party, amidst all this, you know, right here where we are standing. Even here, Rahul Gandhi had a presser with other opposition leaders. So very telling pictures those. And really, that really means that after the tractor ride, the press conferences, the protest at Gandhi statue, and then the cycle ride, now the opposition perhaps would be taking all the headlines by taking that bus ride to Jantar Mantar. We'll have to wait and see how that really unfolds, whether the Aam Aadmi Party that skipped the cycle ride, the BSP that skipped the cycle ride, will also come to the fore, because remember, the government has been attacking the opposition, saying that this is a politics of disruption that the opposition is playing.
Right, and we'll track all the latest that comes in from Parliament also. Maushmi, thank you for those details. Expect again a disruptive session on the cards, start 11 a.m. Besides that, Maushmi also telling us that these opposition leaders will be making their way to Jantar Mantar at 1 this afternoon to express solidarity with the farmers who are agitating there.